Hello guys, welcome to proCode. In this video, we are going to write a Python program to display a user entered name followed by good afternoon using input function. So let's quickly make a new file for our new Python program. So I'll just name it wish.py. So first of all, we need to take the input from the user as his name. So let's quickly create a variable called name, and then input, and we will ask what is your name. And to make it look better, we will make use of escape sequence character. And the last thing we are going to do is we are going to print good afternoon and also the name. Alright, so there we have, let's quickly save it, and there we have our Python program ready, and there we have our question which is asking what is your name. So I'm just going to type in Amir Hassan, and then you can see here it has successfully printed good afternoon Amir Hassan. So this is it for today's video. I will see you in my later videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Look at the future.